Alright, so I have all the stuff ready to install. I have my car back. And we're on.
Forensics project, dude?
No, this is my forensics project. That's why I fucking lied to surprise you guys. I have my car back and I'm gonna do the exhaust like right now.
Hey, bruh. Hey, what it say? Oh. Subaru. Thought it was a Scion. Oh. I'm not doing that. Alright, so this bitch is gonna come out right here.
Wait, where's the hanger at?
There's one right here.
Oh, I shot my.
And then, yeah.
Herbert,
you should hang
I feel like you just want me to go get stitches.
Oh, no, just here.
Herbert's crank is fucked right now. He's about to kill me. He's about to murder me.
Yeah, you didn't fight us about mouse sleeping, bro.
Fury.
Imagine Dragons.
I hate you for that, bro.
He tried it on me.
Earlier?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got a stock boy pipe in. And at the end here we got a new straight pipe. So the only difference between the stock one that we took out was that big old resonator that apparently makes it very deep in the line.
So,
Right, Alex? Alex?
what?
That
Are you using my phone?
That big old pipe makes your car deeper.
Are you using my phone?
No, it's my phone.
I gotta send me that.
Yeah, no, I gotta send
Why are you
it.
using my phone to record?
Your phone sucks.
You good?
So what I'm doing is I'm providing light for these motherfuckers. Probably should be doing this, huh? Nah, I'll let these motherfuckers do it, huh?
Hey, what are you doing? Don't fuck around with the jack.
That's what sweaty, dude.
Wait, did the car move?
Hey, chill out.
Hey, y'all felt that too, right?
I felt that.
Bro, I didn't touch the jack, dog. Oh, shit.
She's a goddess, a wish from the start in my heart. Oh, yeah. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you a symphony. Won't you kiss me? Shut me up, please. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you in my heart. Oh, yeah. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you a symphony. Won't you kiss me? Shut me up, please. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you a symphony. Won't you kiss me? Shut me up, please. Dance with me, and I'll sing to you a symphony. Won't you kiss me? Shut me up, please.
Get a 15 monkey or a wrench.
LOML.
What? Damn, boy.
Wait, Herbert, do you have a 15 wrench? Oh wait.
Straight pipe, huh?
Fucking heads that you do. I got lice.
You got headlights? I know your hair's falling out, huh?
Yeah.
This motherfucker's hair's falling out, bro. That's crazy. Damn, peep them works though, dude. Hella dirty, bro. What is this? Unacceptable. And they're real, too. Yeah, can't be lacking out here,
Talk about
boy.
your fucking reps, yeah?
Oh. Hey, I got good swaps to...
What, VMRs?
What the fuck are VMRs, bro?
Ew.
Oh, yeah, buddy got his car back. It's crazy, huh? This shit's hella dirty. Damn, bro. You got that Spider-Man fucking car, dude. The red and blue. Looks good, though. Looks good. Right, Alex? Looks good?
Yeah.
Fucked up jack.
Alright, car's on the floor. Now we just gotta take off the wheel chock.
If anyone wants to donate a jack to me, please let me know.
Oh, dude, this one's stuck. Oh, shit. I got it. What'd you say?
If anyone wants to donate a jack to me, please let me know. Thank you.
Man, on my video,
Yeah, this dude has fucked up jacks.
Both of them, bruh.
Both of them, bruh.
It's way about Harbor Freight.
The car almost fell on us.
Dude, that
Hey,
ass.
Buzz, do you have a black mask?
That's it.
Oh, that's not mine.
You sure?
Yeah, mine's over there. Alright, well, I guess you're.
I got something to say. Fuck COVID. Oh, God.
Fool, you look like a doctor.
Fuck you.
Go for it.
Where's all the cars at?
Right there. Oh, damn, your boy looking clean.
Is it too